Hello students, welcome in this session. This session is the third session of stereochemistry chapter. In last two sessions, we have studied in detail about conformation. We studied how the process of conformation works in N-butane and ethane. And in this session, we will apply the concept of conformation in cyclic systems, and we will study in detail the conformation in cyclohexane, which is in the syllabus of BSc first semester students in the major course, minor course and multidisciplinary course in chemistry subject. So, let us start with the cyclohexane structure, conformation and its applications. So, students, लास्ट सेशन में हमने कन्फॉर्मेशन का एप्लीकेशन देखा इथेन में और एन ब्यूटेन में. जस्ट उसको रिकॉल करते हुए हम मॉडल देखेंगे और मॉडल से समझेंगे कि कैसे ये ओपन सिस्टम जब साइक्लाइज होते हैं तो कन्फॉर्मेशन को रेस्ट्रिक्ट करते हैं. अगर आपको याद हो तो लास्ट सेशन में ये मॉडल हमने इथेन के बारे में पढ़ा था. दो ब्लैक कलर्स कार्बन है, two carbons are joined with three hydrogens. This is ethane and it can undergo the process of conformation like this, the rotation in a carbon carbon single bond, and this concept of conformation was further applied in the molecule ethane. See, butane. In butane we have four carbon atoms. Just instead of one hydrogen we have one methyl group. So, we have studied the conformation like rotation along this carbon carbon single bond in molecule of butane. Can you compare these two structures? This is simple and this is a little bit complicated. Why it is complicated? Because the two carbons are added, and when the two more methyl groups are added, this structure seems to be more sterically hindered. Now imagine what will happen if we combine these two carbons to make this cyclic molecule. So if this can rotate freely to give rise to different conformers, but if we cyclize or fix the position of these two carbons, the rotation will be restricted like what will be in case of cyclohexane. See, this is the model of cyclohexane. Cyclohexane का मॉडल है. You can clearly see now all the carbons are fixed in the ring. They are not very free to rotate. So, the phenomenon of conformation is restricted when we cyclize the open chain in a cyclic manner. This is the reason why the study of conformations of conformatory structures have a different type of application of vision in cyclohexane. We will first see what is cyclohexane. अगर आपको cyclohexane के बारे में ही नहीं पता होगा तो आप उसके conformation के बारे में नहीं जान पाएंगे. So first let us see what is cyclohexane, how does it exist, how does it conformations are discovered, and how the concept of conformation is applied on the cyclohexane ring. So, as you already know, cyclohexane, you see, I have already drawn few structures. Slowly I will go one by one on each other. This you can represent cyclohexane like this. One cyclic molecule have 6 carbons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This structure is drawn on the basis of tetrahedral structure of carbon atom, and this tetrahedral structure was proposed very long back around 1840 Liebel, and then progressively some researches continues, and it was proposed tetrahedral theory Liebel and Van 't Hoff around 1850s. Then when the concept of cyclic structure arises, the Bayer have proposed the Bayer-Strain theory, and the Bayer-Strain theory proposed that when the open chain structure cyclizes, the structure or molecule bear some strain, the two types of strain, angle strain and ring strain, due to which all the cyclic rings are not stable. Only few 5 and 6 membered cyclic rings are stable. This is the reason why we will study the concept of conformation in 6 membered cyclic ring, not 3 membered, not 4 membered, or not in 8 membered, because these rings are not very common, they are not very stable. When we come in the 5 membered and 6 membered ring, we will see that angle strain and Bayer strain are getting minimized. How? You will see slowly. So now see, this is the structure of cyclohexane, and this carbon is sp3 hybridized. You already know what is the bond angle in sp3 hybridization, 109 degree 28 minute. And what is the regular bond angle in regular cyclohexane? This, of course, not 109 degree, something near about 120. But still, when it is cyclizing, this bond and this angle will bear some strain, and due to this strain, this ring is no longer planar. ये रिंग अब प्लेनर नहीं रह जाती है. दिस रिंग इज नो लॉन्गर प्लेनर. स्ट्रेन की वजह से ये सिकुड़ जाएगी. तो इस स्ट्रक्चर की रिंग को बोलते हैं पकड़ रिंग. पकड़ रिंग. What will happen when this ring will pucker? When this ring will be puckered, all the 6 carbon atom will not be in same plane. They will be in different plane. अगर आप देखिए कि ये पेज है, अगर इस पेज को आप दबाइए, इतना दबाइए कि इसको जितना स्पेस है इसके बाद भी इसको हम प्रेशर दे रहे हैं, तो क्या होगा? ऊपर उठ जाएगा. मतलब ये इसके प्लेन में नहीं रह गया, प्लेन से अलग हो गया, ऊपर उड़ गया या नीचे चला जाएगा. इसी तरह जब रिंग में स्ट्रेन पड़ेगा तो क्या होगा? ये रिंग पकड़ हो जाएगी. ये साइक्लोहेक्सेन के रिंग देखिए, ये रिंग यहाँ पे बनाई है, ये रिंग का मॉडल है जिस तरह से आपको दिख रहा है. अब इस रिंग को अगर आप ऐसे देखिए इस तरह से, तो देखिए ये कार्बन और ये कार्बन, दिस कार्बन एंड दिस कार्बन आर नॉट इन सेम प्लेन. दिस इज from below the plane, this is from upward plane. Then again this is below the plane, this is from upward the plane. This is below the plane, this is upward the plane. So each alternate carbon atom goes below the plane and alternate carbon atom goes upward from the plane. So this ring is known as puckered ring. Okay, this ring is puckered ring structure. So again, how this structure will be drawn? A very acceptable structure for the cyclohexane was proposed by Barton, the chair form of cyclohexane. Actually in very beginning it was proposed by Sachs in 1890. Sachs proposed, just इसको 2 conformers. एक्चुअली सेशन ने प्रपोज किया था 1890 में 2 टाइप्स ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर्स आर पॉसिबल एंड दैट वर चेयर फॉर्म एंड बोट फॉर्म. बट 1890 में जब इन्होंने प्रपोज किया, बोट फॉर्म वॉज सफर्ड फ्रॉम सीवियर एंगल स्ट्रेन एंड रिंग स्ट्रेन. जो ब्लू कलर में है ये बोट फॉर्म है. देखिए ये नाव की तरह लग रहा है, बोट की तरह. तो दिस इज बोट फॉर्म. दिस वाज सफरिंग फ्रॉम एंगल स्ट्रेन एंड रिंग स्ट्रेन. दिस वाज नॉट थर्मोडायनेमिकली स्टेबल, इसकी फ्री एनर्जी ज़्यादा थी. बट दिस चेयर फॉर्म वाज नेग्लेजिबल, वाज हैविंग नेग्लेजिबल एंगल स्ट्रेन एंड नेग्लेजिबल रिंग स्ट्रेन. जो इसका बॉन्ड एंगल है, ये बॉन्ड एंगल नियर अबाउट 109 डिग्री 28 मिनट. इस स्ट्रक्चर में दिस बॉन्ड एंगल विल बी 111 डिग्री. तो इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं है. देयर इज नॉट मच डिफरेंस बिटवीन 109 एंड 111. सो चेयर फॉर्म ऑफ साइक्लोहेक्सेन इज very acceptable conformer for to represent the structure of cyclohexane. अब ये जो बोर्ड पे स्ट्रक्चर बनाया है, ये एक्चुअल होता कैसा स्ट्रक्चर है, इसको आप इस 3D मॉडल से समझिए। ये चेयर फॉर्म बनी है, दिस कार्बन, ये जो ऊपर कार्बन जा रहा है, दिस कार्बन पॉइंटिंग अपवर्ड फ्रॉम द प्लेन, दिस इज दिस कार्बन, देन दिस कार्बन इज डाउनवर्ड फ्रॉम द प्लेन, this carbon is upward from the plane, this downward, this upward, this downward, upward, downward, upward, downward, consecutive, alternative. Just see here in this model, this upward, this downward, upward, downward, upward, downward, upward, downward. Again, this kind of repetition is repeating here, upward, downward, upward, downward, upward, downward. So this three-dimensional model of cyclohexane was very clearly represented in the chair form. Again, this chair form can be interconvertible, can be inverted. Like if you give the name 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, there are 6 carbon. Then again this 1 carbon is upward from the plane. It can be below the plane, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this ring is known as inverted chair, and this is chair. Why inverted chair? Because all the carbon which were above the plane in inverted chair, they are below the plane. Like see 1, 3 and 5. Here they are above the plane, 1, 3, 5 are below the plane. Chair, inverted chair. Then inverted chair will convert in chair, then chair will convert in inverted chair. Very fast interconversion, very fast. Even it cannot visualize by NMR machine at room temperature. This, see, here this carbon is below the plane, this upward the plane. How the ring will flip? Like this, see. Again the ring flips, see. This below the plane, this upward the plane, below the plane, upward the plane, below the plane, upward the plane. रिंग फ्लिप हो गई, देखिए। अब ये 3 कार्बन, दिस एंड दिस below the plane, this is upward the plane. Again it can flip like this, see this, upward the plane, upward the plane, upward the plane. Again अब ये तीनों नीचे आ गए, ये तीनों ऊपर चले गए। तो इस तरह से ये जो फ्लिपिंग है रिंग की, ये फ्लिपिंग होती रहती है और बहुत फास्टर स्टेज में होती है, बहुत फास्टर स्टेज में। ये these two hydrogens are attached this carbon, they are, one is known as axial HA, one is equatorial. How the axial equatorial decided, I will tell later. Just you see axial and equatorial, when ring will flip, this axial will become on this position. So here this axial hydrogen become equatorial hydrogen when the ring flips, and this equatorial hydrogen become axial hydrogen when ring flip. So interconversion of the ring also changes the position of hydrogens from axial to equatorial. This was the all about the chair conformation of the cyclohexane. Now how the interaction will be studied in chair conformation will be very clearly understood by Newman projection. You see, I have drawn here the Newman projection. I clearly drawn the front carbon with a blue color and the backward carbon with a red color. The circle is of red color. You see, the red color is of 5 number carbon. This 5 carbon is this is 3 carbon joined with, no, not 5, this is 4. This 4 is joined with 5, so this is 5, this 5 is joined with 6, this is 6. Then again this is 3, this is 2, and this is 1. And these axial equatorial, then again axial, equatorial, the representation of hydrogen. This Newman projection is very helpful in understanding the interaction between the two planes, between the two adjacent carbon. Like if you see here, this dihedral angle is 56 degrees. So that's the reason which gives the extra stability to the chair form, because this dihedral angle is large enough to minimize the interaction or to get free the ring from torsional strain. इसमें टॉर्जनल स्ट्रेन कम हो जाएगा, एंगल स्ट्रेन पहले से कम है, रिंग स्ट्रेन कम हो जाएगा, तो ये रिंग स्टेबल हो जाएगी। अब ये चेयर फॉर्म में कॉन्फॉर्मेशन का प्रोसेस किस तरह से होता है, हम इसको समझेंगे। और the process of conformation in cyclohexane ring will be explained in next video or next session. This will consume some more time, so I will explain it next session. Here, what are the points to remember for cyclohexane? The points to remember, it exists mostly in chair form. Chair form can be interconvertible. How interconvertible? The axial will become equatorial and the equatorial will become axial, and this interconversion will be at very fast rate. The other conformer is boat, which suffers from angle strain, ring strain, torsional strain. So thermodynamic energy is very high and it is very unstable. So again we will continue it in next session. Thank you.